A&S Power 600-watt multifunctional portable power station has orange and green color. Net weight is 6.12 kilograms. Shell material ABS plus PC. The internal cell use high-quality A-grade 21700 lithium battery cell, also built in with smart protection circuit board. The production has been repeatedly tested and verified by the company's R&D team and mature production technology, which is safe and reliable. This product has a light weight, small size, large power, and other advantages. Widely used for outdoor camping and meet the power supply needs of most household appliances.